Hi, in this video, I will be showing you how to add new appointments and view appointments, and also how to manage the appointment attendance. So let's start by clicking on customer, then you click on appointments. There's a drop down beside it here. You just click on the appointment. Okay, so you click on add new appointment. Over here, you are to enter the information. You type on select, or you add new one as required. Okay, so the information here are required for you to input them. Okay, so you're going to select anything. Select, then you click on submit. So appointment has been created successfully. Now, to view this appointment, you're going to click on view appointment. Then you've seen the appointment to the one we just created and the list of it. So this is how you keep adding new appointments, and you see or view the appointment here. Okay, now let's see how to manage appointments. You click on appointment, you go back to customer, you click on appointment, then click on this appointment attendance. So over here, you have to add attendance if there is a view attendance as well. And then you can also enter the service rendered. So let's click on add attendance. So this is it, heavy relaxing this day. Then if there is any remark, you can input and then submit. Okay, so I don't know why it's showing empty field because alright, so when you're done, you click on submit and it's just going to submit. So to view the attendance, you click on view attendance to see the attendance list, or enter the doc NR here to search the document number to search, and you will see it. Thank you for watching.